Panyika Karimanzira. I am the spokesperson of Restoration of Human Rights Zimbabwe. We are here today, Monday, 1st November 2021 in Glasgow at the COP26 Climate Summit. We are here to demonstrate against the presence of the Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa. We are saying he should not be here because he knows nothing about climate. And his policies are actually killing, degrading our country. He is selling our land to Chinese. We are going on to destroy the land. And also, when you look at the sewage system in Zimbabwe and everything else, the water, everything, it does not tie up with the theme of climate change. Then we are also complaining about Mnangagwa because of his brutality. He was the author of Gukura Hunti in the 80s. Then right through up to today, Mnangagwa has caused the death of many citizens. He has killed citizens. He has ordered the army to shoot innocent citizens demonstrating in Zimbabwe. In August 2018 and in January 2019, and almost with every election cycle, Mnangagwa causes the disappearance of people. And also in our country, there is no rule of law. We all know that there is the selective application of justice. Then there is a lot of corruption. Mnangagwa is the author of corruption, and which has caused the situation our country finds itself in today. We are also complaining about the fact that he has brought over 100 people with him to this summit. This gobbles as much as 16 million US dollars that he has wasted on this trip alone. And that 16 million US dollars could have been used for more constructive things. For example, it could have been used for hospital supplies. It could have been used for education supplies. It could have been used for the roads, for many other things, for social care in Zimbabwe. So we are here to complain, to tell the world how bad Mnangagwa is, and we are saying he shouldn't be here, and we want him gone back to Zimbabwe as soon as yesterday. Thank you.